Order for me, my aquaba, and the over Base Valley TV. So, Base Valley TV, they can't show. See, when the public breed, I never buy a walk a bread, any a breed, and then they did drum a son cry. The name of Pennicassia, a share of Vivian or Base Valley TV. So, the dean, any Mr. Emmanuel Afo, Mr. Emmanuel Afo, a will be our director of operations, our Laura Life Africa. Laura Life Africa. Jadi dwumadie no ekoso na ebe mo hu enoma pa Laura Life Africa. Owo e dey som Ghana, Africa, ani ewiaseman nyina. Na topic ya e be ka ho asem no. Na aye bibia aye ohaw e dey ama Africa na se bibiman. Na aye dadwene ama me ani afo bebre so a omo ka ho asem. Na ye pese de eba wakwam. And topic no the din ene said a day tipotini, and now abaye or how ever Africa. Na brebia, jise, obibini, when you do baby, and son and yaba say, baby, na bra what more din, or yet a branche, a papa one, won't me a tree, name all ye nini, and baby and a holding your son, and I'm not going to air bustle so baby. And then many open the Mr. Emmanuel Afo, Asia Ewaha, or Betchurch and Semi, or your entrepreneur. Or a big time entrepreneur, and he or can be beer when him idea or can. Mr. Afo, in my cover, about Base Valley TV. So, now, upon me, and young company. Yeah, and then topic idea to Dano, and yet me pet any hammer. And you probably breed a how a jet you almost a day Tina, over Africa, my one. A camera, I said, Nipa be breed so when you a breed feed, pay and son of my grandpa almost so baby. Make it be hammer. When you see the powerful, you see, be happy. Send us as a bit much teaching, a my rafa. The decano, and more than Senura, Wakasa Budi, and son or you question.
Okay, that's a fire.
Yeah.
Mediancasa di Emmanuel Afo.
Okay.
I'm a director of operation for Laura Life Africa. Good. It's a multi-level marketing company.
Good. And more power. You, any, you're quite simple. Send I will see a church, a mouthful, a chassis.
Okay, that's a fire. I think said topic usually I did here personally. Me and Kasamayan a whole lot of research and a whole lot of things. Now me and Kasama decided to stamp goes on. Mr. Table is here about one thing. I think it's a very worrying situation. Now, through me and Kasama researching, me who said, any in your fault, number one.
Okay.
Any effort. Almost majority now a victim of this situation.
Okay.
Almost majority now a victim of this situation. Because if in Ghana, by the time people say it will be a millionaire crowd, when you be 50, 55, 60 now, say when you know, what you say. So it's a very big problem. But the issue is, there are so many factors, and they are accounting for that. Okay. Now, factor number home.
And that's all.
Home. Home.
Okay.
A 30-50. 30-50.
Okay.
What you say? Good. Almost said, Yawa, oh, my man, Papa,
yeah.
You see, you may be brief, my man, Papa. So what you say?
Yeah.
Good. And you, my man, Papa, no, and they went to business in Titi, no more. What you say? Good. Now, if you are told my man, Papa, we are buying my four. Almost near Kitchen on your day.
Yeah.
What you say? Now, area now, whatever. Almost Mutina, a big crowd, my man, Papa, and a nipper already as a also.
Yeah.
Such as it. And you home will be our one who feel any environment. What do you see? They are making it in life. Again, mamma no papa. A quabbers no more foul so a chill sick. Money is not taught in the school, it is taught in the house. So what you say?
Yeah.
Can you say idea? You know, come on, school na it's going to be me. Yeah. But don't shame kula sika for Ghana hana. Majority na medication kwa insha dan ko ni bi. Yeah. E chese sika, ye chire no fi, ye chire no in school.
Yeah.
You understand? Good. Now, hwese akwala bi wo siso wana wosa umu se ne ni gisikasem ho pa o ya akwala ketwa eri na omo baba ye no omo dia ba ene pono so what you say
o ha be
kromfo what you say
yeah
eti from ashase na no o ma no papa e kire wo se sikapra enye unya aduane obidi a eno ano two a more typical example ustama ye ko ss no o kwa ma so mtuefo
yeah
azaba no makatele so be
kwa
ya
usia di onu abi nyina abeye panipa no nya adwuma pa ye
good uko school yi unim se ni ohiani wa me omobro ko ye ni kakra we ni kakra na wo wi school a kakra ubinya teacher training bi na nursing training bi na wo wi a ade benya abadwuma ye abadwuma de anya kakra bosu wi a kakra wa wo do be bi die enti since inception no o ma me aka no papa ka to tirim se bi kakra kitin so how can you dream big it is obisha no ka just say dream big who can depend on what is he talking about so what you say
yeah
enti if you know e ma me ne papa no no on want to become entrepreneurs so what you say ma me ne kwa no o ton tomatoes o wo ne ba no ton tomatoes o ton pepper o dibia ba ne ba no on kire no if you say o hu ni say adwuma na o ye no en hye da nya adwuma papa so what you say ni mum ne ba no mum ko school no mo ye adwuma papa so what you say
no so wadi dia hwe ne ba
no so no wadi e dia hwe ne ba no what you say good but o ni say o kire ne ba ni gadi na say ne ba no ko school ka ho a akola no be ko school ko nya nyansa abe add value to the man, human oil, yeah. Then that is where the entrepreneurship what starts. So what I say,
yeah.
But on Japan, if you know how to use money, when I first see this car, when I first say with this car, ni na training few.
Yeah.
So what I say, the entrepreneurship kasa, a fee any other.
Just
for example, if you despite. One the man so still we ni man na oye and no more take over
yeah
what I say I don't want can you some go doctors I don't want can you some go lawyers
and as an man so kra an se na se no man who say na community a ko ka say o mon to aso
community
to aso because
community e from collaborate na o ye adwuma wo ha ye nyini to we school na no we ni degree na whatever no ba no da very or started so what I say the entrepreneurship no started free e kwa fashion be chomo to sikasem so what I say good I enjoy so ntu free a na fe ku school na o ku do school mo ho teacher ni na on kire wa ni no on entrepreneurship no even though book mo na wa kan but mo shada nche say papa
practically we need more
what I say ntu ku do school no ye mo believe say unya certificate a wo wi bi ase a wa
certification say empty the animal
what I say we certificate na we ase awubai baba da no ye building nipa capacity e wo school say the be ya nipa no be use na adwene e dey are building a life but ye onya nyina ne say the longu sua agene di baba na ko try exam na pass ni certificate nti akwa school ho wo no na adwene ya so no o pese o pass ni certificate o pass ni certificate o pass ni certificate Inti on shada ye shada building in power school but rather no ye chiw and poor learn and poor inti o chiw no poor when certificate
for exams you here we
say we inti o we school ko no betina fia now I feel the people be face with reality what you say reality is anyone be nyane e bi ni ho
na what said ya erika da say go school na we are when you do my papa ye
what you say
my papa no so ebi ni ho na why na encourage say do my papa
what you say
that is the another question
so what you say it will we afi we do adwuma ebi ni ho but ono ya ka tintirim say e certificate no na dem be call destination it until say we actually applications na wanya adwuma no any line I didn't we need it
what say I to say first no some mentality na that's what we eating o se kan no me kura me nyini ndu ba bia no me hu sɛ yɛ wɔ nipa bebree hɔ a ɔwɔ university kura na adwumakuo bi ase o chase no sɛ ɔpɛ ne sɛ after school no mɛde ɔmɛyɛ adwuma ma but ɛnɛ no even yɛ wɔ binom ɔmo wɔ PhD nyinaa certificate wɔ hɔ a still a ɔmo nyɛ de ɔmo nyɛ adwuma nyɛ nti ɛtɔ da saa mentality ne da so yɛ sim sɛ wo wie school a wo de certificate wo bɛyɛ de wo bɛyɛ adwuma yɛ which is not true.
The nneɛma yi sɛ yɛ nsua deɛ ɛno so ka ho bi nea ɛkyɛ ne sɛ saa time ne nipa so a ɔna no ɛne yɛ dodoɔ yɛ sɛ and the same facilities na ne wɔ hɔ tete no ɔne ne wɔ ebi mɛka ho
nsuo baako ne ɛwɔ a nsuo baako
akoso nye kɔfoɔ koraa baa na ɔbɛyɛ bui a ɛnyɛ koso mu ne ayi so a to this time so wate ase ɛnso sɛ wɔ nsuo bebree deda Ghana so wate ase the same facilities no nti ɛnoa na wɔ hɔ nti akora na wi school no adwene ne deɛ lailai nti certificate na nti wobɛtwerɛ application no wobɛtwerɛ application na sɛ 5 years 10 years na sɛ wɔnyɛ nyɛ adwuma a ɛno asɛ ɔte fie ɛna maame koraa tumi support ne ba no sɛ ne ba no deɛ ɔmo akɔ university wie o nti no wɔnyɛ nyɛ sɛ ba no bɛdwuma o sɛ company adwuma a ɔmma akwara no sɛ ɛbi akwara no koraa nkwara no bi koraa tumi nyɛ adwuma bi kakra a nkɔbɛtumi ayɛ de abuild ne ho lailai ɔmaame so daabi ɔmo ahwɛ university no ɔmo nkɔyɛ saa adwuma bi sɛ wɔte ase so wɔnyɛ
wɔyɛ adwuma ɛwɔ soro ne ɛwɔ
wɔte ase
ne ba no wɔ university
nti in between ɔtwerɛ application ɛne so ɔbɛnya adwuma a ɔnyɛ nyɛ bie in between ɛdɛn na nipa no obɛtumi ayɛ ama no ɛhɔ na adwene no ɛne entrepreneurship ne yɛ de comes in but we have nothing ɔnni biribiara ɔnni anything about entrepreneurship so wɔte ase nti ne ba bɛfɛlɛ gap no ɛyɛ religion so wɔte ase ɛno na so ɔtumi de ne ho wura religion mu a mu aso afɔwada ne pastor ɔmo na mo tontɔntontɔ ɔyɛ ɔsɛ ne a whole lot of things so wɔte ase
die mu nsuo
wɔte ase
Jerusalem
wɔyɛ graduate but wɔwura religion mu no yie no afei wodu baabi wɔn sɛ no Charlie, I have a young one which I can make money out of religion. So what I say again, religion is also in one way or the other. A say padre. Acquire say, no credit what religion, almost come when you find it. But they make it seems like, say, as I see so by a plan. Only, and it's only moving to the buyer about Assassin. Because the type of society say, as I see by ya factory na ba ya konso a ya factory ko and ya didn't know that
na ne wo kwaso na wan ko to wan factory an ko an ko to ko so dia
I did what man so I didn't know that ya factory ba ya didn't know that
ko ya wo na tade
show
it you naked just be naked
so what says if you are catch yourself money is the root of all evil any na money be root of all evil money can never be the root of all evil. But rather, lack of money is the root of what? All evil. See, I got Trasafa. Or what to say, and go for to do more.
David.
And I'm going to be our room.
They
only lack money. Only those areas as I go there.
No, correct.
So what I say, see, I have Shaman. See, I go to for.
Hey, I want to send you energy said. Unyandu station okwa nipa bia nyina okwa mitime bia
so what happen enti ɛhɔ no die ti akɔ no wɔ hɔ no sɛ ohia no sika nyɛ de ɛni hɔ what you say enti wɔn so obi tis area hɔ the moment a obetuma lift a obi nye sika kakra bi no pɛ no obi mu go fi area hɔ ɔkɔpɛ asikafoɔ no ayɛ de akɔtena ɛhɔ na peace yɛ de ɛwɔ so what I say, it's religion so a play part. Our young side. So what I say, religion play critical part. But most of the religion, I did you want more. Just say, sometimes it's even difficult for them to think.
And quite okay because all said, you will need to be okra. Yamia Boan, ye do to meet not a be a Jumaka crabby, your minimum Minia Babia, Menino. Ekasa tool for because ono a joada or say so program or program benada program or just say program sa na ko sia dan so wasa ko tena so dem the same power se na dwuma no egu a o de kwa kwhye bayifo
sir nipa na all come home for prayer omu refi say ono ni business no ya
that is the problem yeah that is the
omu refi say ono na dwuma no ya so omu so na dwuma no ya no
sa no bia oba obeji connections na bia obeji so one go
ono na dwuma no ya no what you say it is obi nka say enko but it was say o apply o gumption no so what you say because weekdays e be adwuma you can't use it to go and do those things and no point adwuma na say you no problem but productive hours time in here so what you say but we need home say the edidi lipa ni tribu ntiro okay
obekasa o de obekasa o de bonsa na o ye few abefo na asuma because they say
onu ya catch them say they said the last time na making say madam for me when opportunity am me catch them o catch them say me be scandal na me nim say bible crack say be for say usikani ebe ko heaven dan say ponko o kana se pose den se usikani be ko o so anima dan se ponko be wura ani
ani tukuru
3 weeks na sa ni pakuya from say over 300 Ghana cedis aya ade nga ngura tukuru ni
no ngura ko wura
pa catch it straight so ngura pan ngura tukuru ni fonko fa ka catch it straight
simple
enti no o ade na bible no ko kan on tin an application ase sa asem na ewo mu no on ti ase but eno ate kan raw the trade no enti ono so no ade o fa no raw now o free religion so a yemra social media hwe nipa na ono o fie no a onye adwuma bi anye no ni maame de bi o pe bi kakra kakra ide e ma no wakoto bande o social media ni no fraud boys are on display cars parties koso slay queens so what you say and some who here o post to adie eye be boni pa
e wa bra obi so di social media ko ya pesika
amofo yu social media ko pesika no ye ha die ukọ a o di o post ko Ghana for social media groups e mu di hu ko my sex anopotu tutuma dia no pa eni pe fa adwene no they will come and post idea about sex. It is sex and one adwene. Jinyansa ne de
na fraud for so na mfa.
Oh, fraud for so na mfa. Na slay queen for you na mu. Oh, you no social media. Oh, nyansa se bia. So how can you even like people be can say no, I have to do something. So what I say. Wow.
Yeah.
So those are the what? Those are some of the things. It is social media no, and it's very 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 bad. Again, friends, enipa wonu edi agro. Who are your friends? Wadam for ne Charlie, you go here Manchester any war.
Are they any value to your life?
Nothing. No say bet, my bet. Charlie Manchester any dey previous video. My bet. She said my bet dey dig for food to the extent say prepare the wakati no biti. I say my bet. So, what you say? Good. Ngope ma Charlie anya give you. Na don't fi kan we fine pa ja. Bra na beje no. Omo no ti fi no onye adwuma ye no. Ngope ma.
We dey waka ma semba ko. Na me wo adwuma ku company bi a mutimi bodi bi binti. Na me na fo na me wo mo no. Dodo na ye. Oh, sports. The sports don't pepper. Na sports. Now we are about Charlie na nim game na den but the trust here we say no. Maybe I normal I do. Those people they can't help my life. And secondly, now opinion so am share asem you be a time be a or share so. O ma wan kasa won dwene. Ti me say no. I'm in a very wrong place. I have to move on. And I left the place. I'm okay now.
Exactly. But how many people meet me are really sad? It will not for a friend we said OQP. Only quality people. There are some people that are all trash them out of your life.
So
if
you want to move on.
If you want to move on in life.
Yeah.
So what I say, I didn't know be too quiet, no be dear bro, come up, but too quiet, I feel friend.
And what have I say? Okudura, I continue to refuse. Life here is different from there.
He is making money. He is working, making money. He has met people who can help him make money. Who didn't have money? Nothing.
Fair be a scanner on one answer.
What you say?
All of you.
What I say? What time? Who said? Who true crime? Or who said? No, is different. We're making new friends. Here, Juma, Charlie, in a weekend, you mommy, 5 hours. Or Joby, yeah, also friend. I didn't want to any guess. I won't area. Yeah, by the way, you see why you find power. What I say? I'm only interested. So, it's a circle of friends, you know. You have to choose. When was the last time or enough people like just Charlie? We need to do something. When was the last time enough business idea by? Nothing. And also you're factor.
Yeah.
Again, you're in government. Africa.
You're
in government. Policies. Any actually say they don't want everybody to grow. They want us always to be around. So what I say? It's government policies. She said, "We need to sign contract. We need to be so what you say? We need to just like sometimes one you care for one of the no, they didn't pay for it. So, and you know, branch they say what that's all social media. If you do that, 24/7, the system was working.
Glassing.
What's the glass and what's the glass and glass and one different team. What's the
1 minute here?
What's the set? Police phone in name. Who young will be a come on? What's the chef? Who you have better? So what I say? And you know, sign me my name away. What I say, including a culture. What I say, we are a colana will be seen. Now we'll force us so we don't know making money. Now we shall follow friends so the chance of Yakola. A collar pray will be a sick, and a cranny, dear, kick some bassa. Here, boo. What I say, will for you or what if you are, so we say you won't share the name and one. Now, planning young video will be a statue of building business. Now, funny, so back in wood, one fellow you cry or for me.
That is Africa.
So what I say, it is animal winning and a kick a boom. If you face our government international, sign me no way and a kick a boom. Ain't it a branch and a plan over first animal woman? It will true, pay 31 hole. None of them for beer. Only see swallow. If you won't say no, Sana phone or calling him. At one who say only, I was so worried. Our answer is kind of worried.
Yeah,
it's all Bobera. It's a very walk on. Not after you say no,
or Yakichi.
As or Yakichi. And the affair and all best started. I didn't say was starting the best 17, 16, 18 years ago. I feel no Baba started by 30 to 20 to do 33. No, who said no. It didn't know football of a friend. What I say, I've not 30 years free, maybe. I've no, what I feel what 30. Now, I feel, the young Brenner, I feel all for to say. Now, baby, now the friend across me. The friend going to me. It's anybody was started somewhere now. Because success, no, it takes time. It was started somewhere that cannot so it's really consistent. You been 40, 45, I got 50 years. I've seen a number of what I say.
What should I enjoy?
What do you enjoy, Carol?
Because you get enjoyment in the 30, 40 more.
What you say? Enjoyment you get from 25. 25 to 40.
So
what I say? So what I say? It is to swallow a young palano and they training how to make money. What I say? How to make money. Maybe say, me packet one, I'm a one. Unia. We Jesus are going we just open we really just go some months now
further months
some months on the betting I train the results.
Okay. What's say?
Well, months so I don't go to 50 and electrician. Electricals.
So that's very good.
Necessity be bad or SSR. No VAT bia over the ins of our trust.
But yeah,
we SS and so by that time, none your more your money or more complete. I will find another thing for them to do. To we as also have a feel. It's a beautician, say any kind of thing. I'm if we say you be creative, you know. But some of the person.
Very, very good.
As someone go university.
And to go to university, no one kasa. Na dweno eye dwuma yi a.
What you say?
Betimi I decide say.
What you is kapɛ? Secret ni say. What you is kapɛ? Ndi wo hwa no ka che daddy. Pese me ye acrylics wo school na me skaka ya no.
Adrena say eye dwuma.
What you is kapɛ?
Sir, na say the system is working.
The system is working 24/7. So what you say?
Yeah.
It is animal with the kitabu and my Africans grow. So we need what we call a paradigm shift of mindset.
Good. Therefore, base value TV and a busu emotional. Fijium I say, and you my pathway, and you know my will be brave, and you never walk him. Yet she said, "None said, then Tina abrofo. When you need a crabby, now I start a D. Bibineti ha o si obroni die wo ye beifo e na nane papa eje sika gun ho enti sa awofo no hyase e kire wo nyansa e wa bra no usua wa mo adini ansa enti no yen Africa ha no ba enye sa da tie nanso basically TV ya patwe ho so se eniema atwam anasa de mu adi ni die omoni ko na mu bia ka no Mr. Emmanuel Afo ha yi e be hwese e bo ho ban o ye school anasa dwumakuo bi na opese ye power so ye na ye no be sua about entrepreneurship what was afraid ya ye be ba wo chen ye no abedi ahie wo misafo ewo bre ema nipa ono de wo ye experts so we training on the entrepreneurship eti bo modern na ohia ya obetimi ato sa e dia afraid so wo program sonko bi anase wo idea sonko bi a opese oni ewiase nyina cha base value TV number see bubusu so ofre ya e beba wo chen ne ene wo abeche adusua amewiase nyina ate wonka especially ye mo franketenkete no obi o ha wo aduma che yeso ku bi a otimi ye nanso awofo no hu kwa ya mbefa so a o metimi apushi no forward obi o pra no mo tiatia obi o pra nam sa hye yeso ku anya ko dia ba ntino ya ne ya ji ye bi pra o ye befo anase bi etisa etisa abrofo saa na mo ma no o discover o talent na emu mo hwe se o behwe no matene wo enam so wo ni die o nti eto da ye awofo ni brem wo fi se de ye hwe se bi aka ye nimu a o beche no oni nti baseball TV ya de se ye behwe ni a cheche amanfo saa no mo we ye beji wadon kire ye so di adon kire be mo ye betutu ye ho fo e fi se de modi de so modi ko na mu bi aka de behwe se ye be bo ho ban also na share Base Value TV unya subscribe to YouTube channel o ya release subscribe to YouTube channel no na fe ubi so ko Facebook na ko like here video bi e de be pro bi a no modern na share ema wonam fofo se de be ya nyina ya dwene be ba ye mo so na abibi man Africa man ye be hwe so ni asori ndina na timi afa ye tuma pa efra if say unya menya meshuminya wonya ye kan ye humu na Africa ye ba ho na ntimi enkonko enu be ka o se dwumadi a wo hwe e de abrabomu adaja de o hihye dwumadi edin ene openikase Emmanuel Ifa Yeboa na me a da bia me bebro medin ene Kwame Boachi Yado ene dai be da wase so ni atra bi sami Base Value TV koso ahwe obi insha